Right now it's Tuesday, February 21st, about 8 p.m. and I'm sitting in my living room in Toronto. And I'm about to head to the airport to fly first to Argentina and then onward to Antarctica. I've never been to Antarctica, never seen a penguin in the wild, never peed on an iceberg, I've never done any of those sort of things. So I'm really excited for this trip. I think it's going to be pretty fun. At 60-something degrees south right now. We're about 30 nautical miles from this area that's going to be a bit more sheltered. We've come into this beautiful cove where the British have a station. So we're going to be heading ashore to mail postcards and visit a gift shop. Yeah, it's a gift shop in Antarctica. We're on a beach and we have an investigator here. I think he's hungry. We're gonna try and confuse a penguin with this penguin. I think we confused the penguin. So we're walking through a whole bunch of ornery fur seals here. We've run the gauntlet successfully. Here with Bruno, the leopard seal.